Hi everyone. Now that we have covered sum, average, if, percentage in Excel, let's take a look at a real world application and apply these concepts. So here I'm trying to make a small student report card. Let's see how to do that step by step in Excel. So these are the marks for a student. There are total 6 subjects. So for term 1, I have these scores. To generate the total, I'll just use sum. I'll give the sum function and I'll select the range of marks. So it gives me 459, which is out of 600 because there are 6 subjects. To calculate the percentage, I'll just say the total marks divided by 600, and I will format it using the percentage style. It gives 77%. I'll now generate the total and percentage for term 2. So I just need to copy the formulas. Say this, and I'll copy here. So the formulas are copied and Excel updates the values automatically. So this sum is the sum of these marks, and this percentage is total of term 2 divided by 600. So we have calculated the totals for term 1 and term 2 and percentage for term 1 and term 2. At this point, I would like to say that if you're liking the video, please subscribe to our channel. Now we'll find the average of term 1 and term 2. So we'll say average, these 2 marks. So to calculate the average, we use the average function and we selected the range. So we have 2 values here. It returns 87.5, which is correct. Similarly, I'll need to calculate the average for all the subjects, so I'll just drag the formula down. So it will copy the formula down and will calculate the averages properly. So you see the formulas are using the updated row numbers, so the calculated averages are correct. I've just randomly assigned these grades, you can ignore them. Now that I have the final marks for each of the subjects, I will just sum them up, select the range. I'll get the final total, divide by 600, format as percentage. So I get the final percentage as 76%. Now we'll also use the if statement here. I'll say is equal to if statement. If, I'll take the percentage. I'll use the if statement. I'll check if the percentage is greater than 40% or not. If it is yes, I will say pass, else I will say fail. I'll close it. So it says pass. So we've used the if statement also. So we've used the sum function, we have calculated percentage, we have used average function, and then finally we use the if statement. So this is how you can use the various concepts and functions in Excel and apply it to real life applications. In this case, I can also use conditional formatting to show pass as green and fail as red. So I can go to conditional formatting under home. I let cell rules. The rule is equal to, I'll say it is fail, so red color. So in this case it is pass. If I delete this, if I just type fail here, it changes to red because we have given the rule. I'll do Ctrl Z. We'll go back to the earlier formula. So that's all in this video. Do subscribe to our channel. It helps us produce videos like this. Thanks for watching.